Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this, I think it's KROSIAS. It's a laptop backpack. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and put my laptop in it and show you guys what it looks like with it. So it comes all wrapped up nice and tight. But this is it here. So this is the size. It looks like it would probably fit a 16, 17-inch laptop, no problem. And let me put my laptop in it. So we'll just try that for fun. Start off with the gusto. So this is how it opens up here, and you can see in the back section there's a little Velcro and then a padded section here, and it is padded in the back. So I have my 14-inch MacBook Pro, and I am going to put it inside. It's still got a little fold in it from the thing, but you can see the 14-inch one fits, and there's plenty of space above it there, and inside of here also, so it fits inside of this little padded section. I can go and Velcro it up so it's closed, and then there is a lot more space in here. I could bring a day's worth of clothes or whatever in there as well. A little silicone back, so I can close this up. Oh, it looks like also in here it has a USB extender type of thing, so I could put my my battery pack in here and plug it into my battery pack, and then on the outside I've got my USB port. So that's kind of nice that it has the ability to do that as well. So let me zip this up here. What's on? Oh, that's my thing. It looks like the zipper is good. I don't know what brand it is. Doesn't really say, but put it zips up, into the middle, onto the side, whatever. And then we have a zip section in the front. Let me aim you guys down a little so you can see the whole thing. So this front section here, I can open it up, and you can see you've got the traditional kind of spots for pens and different wires and stuff. But it has a nice little zipper pouch here. And that's good. It's not super deep on that one. That one doesn't go all the way down, so it's good. You can put something in there, put passport or something in there. That's a nice little section. And then zip that up as well. We have a little section up here, which is good. I could stick my phone in there while I'm doing stuff. And then I went up here, which is a nice big pouch. This is probably where I'll keep all my wires and chargers and stuff like that. So then I can take one of these out to charge my phone or something if I needed to. On the side, we have a little pocket for our water bottle or anything like that. Looks like there's one on each side. Very nice. And then on the back, it's got the strap here. So this is really cool. So if you have a rolling luggage, you just put this on top of the luggage, and then it'll kind of stay on your luggage without having to, have it flop off and stuff. So that's always nice to have a strap like that. It's a new thing they've been starting to put on some of these luggages, on these backpacks. It's a great idea. And then a little zipper pouch back here. This is actually probably a good place for the passport, so you can stick it back there, and no one will know that you even have it. So we're going to try this on. So right now I have it adjusted the way it came, the size it came with, which is actually not so bad for me. See, so it fits like this. It's a good size, but I could loosen it up so if I was significantly fatter or something like that, I would have a lot more play in there. And it's good. I can tighten it, cinch it up all the way. Have it be really tight on me. It's like a back brace at that point, but it's really nice. It feels good. It's got padded everything, so it's really good. I'm gonna say this is a really nice backpack. It says you can wash it, but don't tumble dry, don't bleach. Oh, no machine washable, so washing it by hand if you need to. And that's it. And it's nice and black, and it's like they made a thick ballistics kind of stuff, but the weight, I mean, now it's heavy because it has my laptop in it, but the weight really wasn't bad without my laptop in it. When I take that out, take my laptop out, pretty light backpack for all this padding and stuff in there. So really nice. Padding's in the good places here, and back. So thumbs up, great backpack.